Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 22624.1391, which is released to the beta channel. Insiders who were previously on build 22623 will automatically get moved to build 22624 via an enablement package. Also, insiders in the beta channel who chose the option to unenroll their device under Stop Getting Preview Builds under Settings, Windows Update, Windows Insider Program and are currently on build 22621.1325, or 22623.1325 will not receive this update. These insiders are part of the off-ramp out of the beta channel running until March 8, 2023. Now, talking about what's new in build 22624.1391. So, Microsoft has completely renovated the in-app command help page in voice access to make it simpler to use and comprehend. The search bar allows users to quickly find commands, and the different categories provide further guidance. Every command now has a description and examples of its variations, making it easier to understand and use. Moreover, you can always switch to a different language by navigating to Settings, Language on the voice access bar. This was only the new thing introduced to this build. Now, moving forward, and talking about fixes for both build 22621.1391 and build 22624.1391. This update improves the reliability of Windows after you install an update, fixed an issue from the last beta channel flight which was causing Notification Center, Quick Settings, and Taskbar jump lists to not work for some insiders. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog, from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.